Makemeebold 7-in-1 Air Styler, the ultimate solution for all your hairstyling needs. It comes with 7 different attachments: a concentrator, diffuser, anti-frizz air comb, paddle air brush, volumizing air brush, auto air wrap right and left. To get started, simply push the power button upwards and adjust the temperature using the set button. Choose from 3 heat settings: cool, medium and high, to suit your hair type. Now let's use this to style our hair. For straight to wavy hair, you can use the concentrator to dry the hair. It gives a precise airflow for fast, controlled and professional drying. Now, if you have curly hair, you can skip the concentrator and use the diffuser instead. To use the other attachments, press and hold the handle lock button down and twist the L-shaped handle to make it straight. Now, attach the Anti-Frizz Air Comb to the handle. This comb tames frizz and gives a straightening-like effect. Now attach the paddle brush. This has a wide head which helps in giving a straight and sleek look to your hair. If you want to give your hair some volume, attach the volumizing air brush. Set the temperature according to your hair. This gives your hair a salon-like blow-dried effect with big wavy curls. Now comes the best part, the auto wrap. This is a magical product. This wraps your hair automatically using air and gives the most gorgeous curls. You have to hold the hair wrapped on the barrel for 10 to 15 seconds to get amazing curls. In just 15 minutes, you can achieve salon-quality results at home. Why settle for multiple tools when you can have it all in one? The Makemebold 7-in-1 Air Styler, because you deserve nothing less than perfection.